my channel. So today we are going to see what happened in Friday's market. So we'll start with the pre-open market. So all the global markets were down on morning, and then we also had a gap down, which is not big gap down, but it's a gap down, only 15 advances. So this clearly shows that we are having a sideways to negative sentiment. Okay, now we'll check all stocks so that we will get an overall idea of how these stocks were performing. So it just takes a little bit slower. As 1200 is positive and declines were 400. So I think positive is more, so still there is a chance for the uptrend. Okay, now we'll straight away go to the EOD section, and here we try to decode what happened in the EOD section. Okay, now see, everything was bleeding, everything was almost 1% down. So let's just understand, after 2 weeks of uptrend, finally this comes the profit booking, not the downward sentiment. So this is just the profit booking. IV is also increasing and all the major stocks were also down. So majorly Reliance broke its support, which is 3000. Then ICICI, from the resistance it was falling, so the resistance was 1240. Okay, now let's get into the chart for 15 minutes chart and we'll try to analyze. Okay, so I'll just take 15 minutes, and first off is Nifty, and then you could clearly see I'm not adjusting anything because I believe that it's going to bounce back. So I'll add a brush so that we will try to understand. So here is what happened. So this was open here, down here, and 25k. So basically 25k should come here. This is where the support break happened. So once the support has broken, the fall was very huge, almost 150 points fall. Okay, so one should understand, always, the big players, the smart money's stop loss is always below the support or above the resistance. That's why after the support break we saw a huge movement. Okay, now we'll try to analyze Bank Nifty. So I'm also taking the same concept here, not going to adjust the support or resistance of the previous day right now. So open was here and here was the close. Okay, so Bank Nifty was very clear. So here we will try to understand that 51k was very strong support. Okay, so when it broke, the fall was very huge. Okay, so you could see the fall was very huge because the smart money's SL was here. That's why the movement was very fast. Okay, so after such long rally, you see from 21st we could see the rally. It was just uptrend, and then on the 9th we are seeing the profit booking. Okay, now we'll go to Finnifty. So this is Finnifty basically, and here I'll try to analyze the same thing. Okay, so open was here, and then here was the close. And then for Finnifty, I think 500 was the major. Okay, 500 was the major support, and when it break, and then you could see nice fall, and also the SM's SL was there. Okay, now we'll go to the next, that is Midcap. Okay, so for Midcap Nifty, I assume 1300 was the good support. So open was here, try to went up, but then here the smart money for the downside were starting to pull market downside. So it was also running from 2060. You see it was continuously putting higher high, and finally comes the profit booking candle today. Okay, I'll call it profit booking, not the break of the structure. So let's see for the further months. Okay, now let's move on to the OI zone, which is very important. So technically we'll see first is Nifty. Okay, so this is Nifty 5 minutes chart, and let's try to analyze it. Clearly call writing was more, and here also it's more, so downward sentiment is still in the market. price action is open equals to high, low equals to close. So it's clearly downtrend. Okay, now we'll try to move on to Bank Nifty. So here Bank Nifty also the same situation. Here call writing was done, and then here also it's more, so clearly downtrend is possible. Open equals to high and then low equals to close was the situation, okay, for Bank Nifty. And then Finnifty. Okay, now we have Finnifty. So Reliance came down, that's why Nifty came down. ICICI came down by 2%, that's why Bank Nifty and Finnifty came down. Okay, so these were the major reasons for coming down. So here also call writing was making the market down. So here call writing is up, so still downward sentiment is in the market. So open equals to high, low equals to close. Okay, so this is nice bearish situation, or we can call it as profit booking. This is mid-cap analysis. Here also call writing were done. Here call was more, so downtrend is still possible. Then open equals to high, then low equals to close the situation. Okay, so all the 4 index shows the same thing. Now we'll move on to global market and we'll see today's global market. So it's still down because we were down. These people are also going down. Okay, also remember to check on Monday morning. Okay, now we'll go and check the equity, so which is an important part. Now here see 4% down SBIN, BPCL 2% down, ICICI 2% down. So some bad news for SBIN, because unless until big stocks won't fall like so far, like 4%. And Bajaj Finance was 0.9% up, Asian Paints 0.8% up, GSW 0.6% is up. Okay, now we'll try to include one more data. I'll try to include that later. Okay, so this is what futures says in the participant wise OI data. So this is Nifty Trader website. Here you check. So the client is almost sideways, DII is bearish, FI is bullish with the ratio of 1:3, proprietary is bearish. Okay, still I will go with FII. So today I will consider it as profit booking 1% down. Otherwise, when FII is by 1:3% up, I will assume that for short term they are going to take the market in the upside. Okay, now we have straddle. Now we know open was 50, 25, 50. So therefore the red line is what we have to check here. So here see, open was here, close was here, so it was a negative day, it was a loss making day. Okay, now we'll go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty open was 51,200, the last one, the purple color. So you could clearly see open was here, close was here, so it was a loss making day. So it will be a profitable day for long straddle, not short straddle. Okay, so Finnifty, the open was 750, so we'll take here, open was here, close was here, so it was technically a loss day. And the last one is Midcap Nifty. We know open is 250 and 250 is unavailable, so we'll take 175. So that is also, it was a loss making day. Okay, I think I have pretty much covered everything. So now the last one is the news section. We'll go to news indispensable and we'll try to analyze just India. Okay, so 12th September we have news, both coming after market hours, so this will affect on 30th September. Okay, so we'll see that. And then this is also a medium importance. Okay, you can see the details over here. Okay, thank you guys, stay tuned to my channel for more updates like this.